2024 third placer. Congratulations, Team Ann, Jukes, and Teddy!
Congratulations sa atin, Jugs, and of course, Teddy! At tulad ng pag-share natin ng ating mga core memories with the Madlang people, ngayon naman, ready na tayong magbahagi ng blessings sa ating chosen charity, ang UNICEF Philippines.
That's right. At syempre, ibinibigay natin sa kanila ang ating magpasigad prize na 100,000 pesos!
At tulad ng hangarin ng UNICEF Philippines, we want to help all children continue to create core memories as they survive, thrive, and fulfill their full potentials to the benefit of a better world.
Yay!
Hi, I'm Serena Palami. I'm a fundraising officer in UNICEF Philippines. Ang misyon ng UNICEF Philippines ay protektahan at alagaan ang karapatan ng bawat batang Pilipino. Team AJT, Showtime Family, dahil sa inyo, patuloy nating matutulungan ang mga batang apektado ng Typhoon Pepito at Typhoon Christine. Nakapagbigay na po tayo ng hygiene kits, education kits, water kits, and because of your donation, kung ano pa ang kailangan nila para makabangon mula sa trahedyang ito, ay maibibigay po natin ngayong Pasko.
Thanks po.
Hey! Anne, our National Ambassador of UNICEF, Jugs, Teddy, Team AJT, our Showtime family, thank you very much for this donation. Maraming salamat. Ang dami niyong napapasayang madlang people, yung mga viewers natin. And now you're also bringing real joy to children in need. Maraming salamat. It's Showtime and Team AJT.
Yeah!